Okay.
Here comes the sun. Here comes the. Imagine how many views this would get. That would be crazy.
Imagine we got 1,000.
Kaboom! By the way, I used to have 10. I used to have
Here we go.
10,000 views on YouTube on one singular video. Here comes the sun.
Rapid fire?
Oh my god. Oh my god. They scare me, dude.
You scare him.
I guess we're scared of fireworks. Kaboom! They got the tower.
The laser beam is pointing somewhere else. But no, I think that's
John
the-
is back.
No, I think that's the drone that's pointing the laser. You know?
No. Because it was pointing over there.
And the drone can't go over there since
No,
it's gonna-
the drone wasn't over this.
Yeah.
And it was
It's
coming
out.
from the ground.
Oh, and by the way, Julius, if we went over there, it would have got exploded
Definitely.
because the fireworks can damage the drone because of the tip, and then it can explode with the fireworks, making it fall into the
Here we
ocean.
go.
Kaboom!
Rapid fire?
Is that final?
I hope it's not. I like it.
Ooh, it's another teaser. That's nice.
What kind of fireworks do you like? What kind of fireworks do you like?
Ooh, here we go.
I like the big ones.
Me too. I like the one that fills up the sky.
Actually,
Rapid fire.
I like the one that does.
Oh
Again,
man.
it was a teaser.
Kaboom!
I
You
hear
still
people
live?
screaming.
You still live?
Yeah.
No! I didn't even see
Here
that
we
big
go.
firework.
Rapid fire.
That filled up the whole sky.
The ground is shaking.
Bro is literally causing a whole earthquake.
Little. The car is wiggling.